Very necessary. We gotta go hard on this one. Yeah. Believe it or not, we all need it.
Jet, Kudi.
Money be the root of evil.
Bad guy.
Poverty they kill some people. Brother for they make that money. When I get the gas to believe it. Don't like nobody to see you. Nobody go believe it.
Bad guy.
Yeah, they pretend like they don't see you.
Yes,
But they
man.
don't wanna be you.
Bad guy. Who man you? Mama enter. Sack. Simple. Say that. I want you to carry last. If you don't get money, nobody will show you laugh. And the best say make I get money fast. Cause if you show pressure, not done, so I stand by. Sack, you go believe say sometimes some of the bottom grave you for your hot man. No, nobody want help man. It's up to me to go for that money back. Now, what be the process? Show me God, the big go, what be that thing? Oh Lord, Mama see me the key story. But if I know here to move for me, if money be the root of all evil, then I'm already having the book for me. Show me the way right now, but for me, I know if you sit down just like that. But no matter how I go make some history, while look see the way he dey talk to me. If I get money, this people go fuck with me. So painful. When I pass by, how I go fuck you? When you're fucking, why not about shot him? Bad guy building.